Oh, it's a nice day for a beach day. Yeah, that's right, Woodhull. Look, there's those sand dunes there. We can slide down them. We can swim in the sea. Nice. Oh, this sand dune looks fun to slide down. Yeah, let's do it. Hey, this is fun! Oh, yay! I don't know. 1,000 years later. Ugh. Oh, we made it to the top. This is going to be fun. Oh, yeah. Sand dune slide. Woo-hoo-hoo. There. That was brutal. This area looks nice. Look, it's a dog. Okay, fine, I'll go for a dip. That was a fun beach day. Yeah. But I wish Regan, Theodore, Pixu, Palladino, Mango or Cloby were here to enjoy the day. Yes. I can't lie, it was actually quite fun. Yeah, we agree.